Rationalize the denominator. So rationalize the denominator literally means to get rid of the irrational number in the denominator. Now radical 3 is irrational, so we want to make a rational number. And this goes back years ago when slide rules used to be used to compute radicals. Now, a fraction written in this form with a radical in the denominator is considered improper form because it's difficult to do on a slide rule. So it was decided that all the radicals should be in the top of the fraction only, so it's easier to do on a slide rule. Now with today's graphing calculators, it really doesn't matter where the radical is as far as making the answer easier to figure out, but it's still considered proper form to have a radical in the numerator and not in the denominator. So here's how you rationalize the denominator. What you do is you multiply both the numerator and denominator by the radical in the denominator. And what this will do is it'll cancel out the radical in the denominator, and then you'll have a radical in the numerator instead. So we have 9 times radical 3 divided by radical 3 times radical 3. So this is going to be 9 radical 3 divided by radical 3 times radical 3, which is radical 9. And this simplifies to 9 radical 3 over 3. Now there's no radical in the denominator, but we can go one step further because 9 and 3 reduce. So we're going to get 3 radical 3 in the numerator and then 1 in the denominator. So we can simply write 3 radical 3. So 3 radical 3 has the exact same value as 9 divided by radical 3, but it's written in proper form.